Indian Scout Bobber Best First Motorcycle for Beginners. The world of motorcycling holds promises of freedom, exhilaration, and a profound connection with the open road. For beginners venturing into this thrilling realm, choosing the right first motorcycle is a significant decision. The Indian Scout Bobber, with its unique blend of classic aesthetics, accessible performance, and beginner-friendly features, emerges as an outstanding choice for novice riders. With its balanced power, rugged design, and rider-centric attributes, the Scout Bobber offers an ideal platform for beginners to embark on a journey of skill development, excitement, and exploration. Balanced performance and accessible power. At the core of the Indian Scout Bobber lies a refined engine that achieves a harmonious balance between power and control. This engine delivers a responsive and manageable performance, allowing beginners to experience the thrill of riding with confidence. Raw design and classic aesthetics. The Scout Bobber is celebrated for its raw and stripped-down design that pays homage to traditional styling while incorporating modern elements. Its minimalist lines, aggressive stance, and authentic design elements embody a blend of vintage aesthetics and contemporary allure that resonates with riders seeking a connection to motorcycling heritage. Novice riders not only experience the thrill of riding but also embrace the raw and timeless spirit that defines the Scout Bobber. Comfortable ergonomics and rider-centric layout. Thoughtfully designed for comfort, the Scout Bobber offers an ergonomic riding position that ensures rider comfort during both short rides and extended journeys. The well-positioned handlebars, foot pegs, and distinctive saddle contribute to a rider-centric setup that enhances the overall riding experience. Agile handling and intuitive maneuverability. The Indian Scout Bobber is renowned for its agile handling and rider-friendly maneuverability, making it a suitable choice for novice riders. Its well-balanced chassis and responsive characteristics empower riders to confidently navigate city streets, curves, and varying road conditions. Safety features and learning confidence. Safety is paramount for beginner riders. The Scout Bobber often comes equipped with modern braking systems and optional ABS, anti-lock braking system, enhancing braking control and stability. These safety features instill confidence in novices as they learn to master the motorcycle's performance. Urban explorations and bold cruises. The Scout Bobber's versatility extends beyond city commutes. Novice riders can effortlessly transition between urban explorations and embarking on bold cruises, all while embracing the motorcycle's distinctive and exhilarating performance. Community and rider connection. Enthusiasts of the Indian motorcycle brand create a tight-knit community that warmly welcomes beginners. Becoming a part of this community offers novices access to shared experiences, valuable insights, and connections with fellow riders who share a passion for the road and the Scout Bobber's unique attributes. Skill growth and riding mastery. The Indian Scout Bobber encourages skill development as beginners build confidence. Riders can progressively explore the motorcycle's capabilities, refine their riding techniques, and fully immerse themselves in the world of motorcycling. Long-term riding satisfaction. The Indian Scout Bobber isn't merely a starting point, it's a companion for the rider's journey ahead. Its distinctive performance, rugged design, and brand reputation ensure that riders can continue to enjoy the Scout Bobber as they evolve from novice riders to experienced motorcyclists. Conclusion. The Indian Scout Bobber series embodies Indian Motorcycle's commitment to delivering an accessible and unique introduction to the world of motorcycling for beginners. With its balanced performance, raw design, and dedication to rider comfort and safety, the Scout Bobber provides an immersive gateway to the joy of riding. By choosing an Indian Scout Bobber as their first motorcycle, novice riders embark on a journey characterized by growth, skill enhancement, and the embrace of a community that shares their passion for individuality, heritage, and the exhilaration of cruising on two wheels with a distinct and timeless style.